God's thought for us. God has a plan for our life, for each individual life. There is something that He made us for. He has a thought in His mind for us, something He wants us to be and to do. Now, we can never be what God wants us to be except by doing His will day by day. Disobedience or insubmission at any point will mar the perfectness of His plan for us. We know that whatever He wills for us is for us the highest possible good. God's will for us is always blessing. It will lead us at every step in the nearest way home. It will fashion in us each day a little more fully the image of Christ.